How to recover my Boom Beach account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how can you quickly recover your Boom Beach account. To begin, open your web browser and search for Supercell support and hit enter. And click on the support Supercell, which is supercell.com. And once you have successfully accessed the official website, you have to simply click on support. And then after select the Boom Beach game, click on it. Click on I lost my account section in the troubleshooting menu. Once you're on this page, click on troubleshooting option in the top. And then after navigate to the contact form, click on it. In the Boom Beach support request form, choose the language and the category and then enter your game ID or username. If you don't remember your ID, you can ask a friend who is added to your account to check it for you. Provide an email address and describe your problem in detail. And finally confirm that you are a human by completing the CAPTCHA and submit the form for the assistance. So this is basically on how can you recover your Boom Beach account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.